Can you imagine eating guava like this? A perfect match. For this recipe, I'm going to add 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of cream, 200 grams of curd, and we're going to beat it very well. And guys, you're already commenting to me that you'd be watching us, that I'll send a super special hug to each of you who comment, so you're already commenting. Now I'm going to add here 12 grams of unflavored gelatin in a container, put 5 spoons of water, and I'm going to be mixing it very well with a spoon. And just take it to the microwave for 15 seconds, and now just add it to the blender. And I'll be knocking for a little more minute. And today's special big hug goes to Sophia from New York. Thank you so much for always commenting. I appreciate it immensely. I will now add our cream in a container and take it to the fridge until firm. In a pan, add 300 grams of guava and also 300 ml of water. And I'm going to mix it very well until it thickens, this guava. This here is the right spot. Now I'm going to remove it from the stove, and let it cool a little so I can put it on top of our dessert. Oh, I'm adding it here. Will I just spread it out with the spatula and put it in the fridge for about an hour? And our dessert is ready, and it was super delicious. Too much matched, folks. It was wonderful. So, if you liked it, already share, and until next time.